So other than that, there's an option of storyboard, so storyline. So you can go to story and click on new story, or there's one more icon here on the right side. This is the storyline. So I'm just adding new story. Okay, so I'm adding new story. This is how it looks like. I can choose to show a title or I can remove this title. Okay, I've just removed the title. Okay, this is a blank storyline. Okay, now this is just a, so it says add a caption. So let's see, let's try and create a storyline. So size, I am saying, okay, fixed size. I can make it say automatic here again. So it's showing me the complete, it's giving me the complete space here. Now I just add, say, multi-dimensional. This is first view. This is just a first visual which I've added. So I can add a caption to this, which would mean that, say, so this is, so I can explain what this shows. So this is presents, say, profit by ship mode, comma, product category, comma, region, comma, customer segment. So I can say maybe a regular year, is most preferred mode of delivery. Okay. So whatever comments or observations I want to do, I can make it here. Okay, now if I want to add one more visual here, so I'm just invoking this state-wise sales and just dragging it. So you see, once you drag this, you see you get that these triangles, inverted triangles on the left side. So I just drop this when I see those reflected triangles. Now you see it has created a new, it has given me this visual on the left side of the earlier caption. So I can maybe mention here, this is state-wise sales. Okay, this is just, I'm just giving it the name state-wise sales, just a caption. Okay, now I want to add, say, product subcategory as, and I just drag it to the right of the caption. Okay, so it's showing me a triangle there. I just below markers there, I just drag it there. Now this comes in toward at the right of the product subcategory. Wise sales. Right. Product subcategory wise sales based on customer segment. Okay, so likewise, I can add any visual or any dashboard. So I just want to say add a dashboard, say dashboard number 6 to the left or the right. So if I just drag it, right, it all gives me option of putting it on the left, or it is giving me option of putting it to the right. Okay. So these are 4 sheets which I have added in the sequence. Now, if there is some story or theme which you have and you want to arrange your sheets based on that, so that is what you can do, and this becomes a ready. This helps you to explain a particular topic or particular event to any of your senior management, and you can arrange it. So you can also add a text, right? That means it will add. I say this is a state-wise. Just make it so this text gets added. You can actually place it anywhere you think is it's appropriate to do that. Okay, so I'm just placing it here. Okay, you can write a bigger text. You can choose to show title. So title will come at the top. I've removed that title. Okay, and this is where you can maneuver, navigate between one sheet to the other sheet. Okay, and there's also layout option. So if you go to layout here, so now right now your captions are in the boxes form. You can choose to have the numbers here. So it represents as numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the caption boxes are gone. It's showing you the numbers. We have the dots option wherein you just have the dots here. Okay, or you have the arrows only option, which wherein it just shows you, so you can navigate using these arrows. These are various layout options which you can choose from. This is what is a storyboard. This is storyboard. You can create multiple storyboards. You can just create one more storyboard, right? So you can add. So you go to story. So this is story number 3. Okay, you can change this title. So and these are similar to the dashboard. All your sheets are visible here, and you can choose to align your sheets the way you want, and the way you want to your story to flow.